Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 24th of January and we are having open house ceremony. Principally, this is the second year of DCC. We had this kind of function in the start of the last year, and this very open house aims to familiarize parents what DCC is. DCC has a very clear, defined vision, and our effort is to developing future leaders from here, those who should have the ability and competence to act as a change catalyst and bring change at the country level. I very strongly believe in the wisdoms given by great leaders like CAIE, Nelson Mandela and so on. They've talked a lot about education. When we talk of CAIE, he says that education brings you from darkness to light. And then world is changing with a very fast pace. And if you don't go with the pace, you are going to be left behind, not left behind, rather you'll be finished. Likewise, Nelson Mandela, he emphasizes the importance of education on the lines that education is such a powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I've carried out study of Summer School of Mecca, and this very institution is based on the theme of A.B. Combs, which is the most favorite and number one school of America. And that theme is that to work on 7 habits of effective people, as written by Stephen Covey. And likewise, that very school follows the theme of leadership right from the childhood. So we stand very, very clear that how we have to develop our children and future generation. We have brought all the facilities at one place whereby the students are exposed to the sports, and our slogan is that sports for everybody. So we stand very clear how we have to groom our children and how we have to make them excellent citizens of tomorrow. This very open house, not many parents have come. I request the parents that this is an opportunity for you to join us, and if you miss, then you might be missing forever. So you can join us as early as possible so that we work together, we synergize, and what are the aims we set? That is our vision, developing future leaders. You can be part of us. All the best wishes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.